Welcome to this tutorial on how to track spending in EveryDollar. EveryDollar is a budgeting app that helps you manage your finances by tracking your income and expenses. To get started, first sign in to your EveryDollar account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard that displays your budget and spending categories. To track your spending, start by adding a new transaction. You can do this by clicking on the Add Transaction button and selecting the type of transaction, such as income or expense. Next, choose the category that the transaction belongs to, such as housing or entertainment. You can also add a description and the amount of the transaction. EveryDollar allows you to track your spending in different categories, making it easy to see where your money is going. To make the most of EveryDollar, set a budget for each category. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you are not overspending. You can set a budget by clicking on the Budget tab and assigning an amount to each category. As you continue to add transactions, EveryDollar will track your spending and provide you with a clear picture of your finances. You can view your spending by category and see how much you have left in your budget. EveryDollar also allows you to set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. By tracking your spending and staying on top of your budget, you can achieve your financial goals and make progress towards a more stable financial future. To get the most out of EveryDollar, make sure to regularly review and update your budget. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transactions to make tracking your spending even easier. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to track your spending, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay consistent and regularly review your budget to ensure that you are on track to achieving financial stability.